Welcome to 180 Day 48. I'm going to challenge you today because 48 days in, I know that in the beginning you were a prepping fool and you were getting everything ready, but are you being consistent in having set aside time for you to prep your foods? I'm going to show you my refrigerator after a prep day, and I want you to compare it to your refrigerator and go, okay, I'm doing what I need to do to prep, or hey, I need to pick up my game in my prepping. Now, we're not comparing to each other's weight loss, but we are going to compare each other's refrigerators. Okay, so this is my fridge, and we're going to go inside. So you can really see what I've got in here. Now, remember, I have teenagers too, so everything in here isn't perfect. But up top, we've got, I have teenagers, so we've always got fruit for the kids. But for us, we have our cucumbers that are mixed with rice vinegar and a little bit of Splenda, and we put them in there. Erica says put them with a mason jar, put the lid on so they don't go bad. We've got our whole eggs. We've got our egg whites. We even have our hard-boiled eggs that are here. I just got new ones yesterday at Costco. Now, here's the thing that we make sure that we're always prepping. We've got some salmon in these two here that are prepped. We've got over here, can you see over here? We've got shrimp, we've got chicken, we've got those prepped. We've got tilapia right here. I've got brown rice right here. Asparagus is right here. We've got spinach. I've got vegetables in here that are all ready to go. And so really what I can do is I can throw a meal together so incredibly fast. If I have to be gone all day long, I can throw my meals together. I can saute. I love just throwing a pan on the stove and throwing what I need in there and sauteing it up. And so my question to you is, one, are you taking the time to prepare? You may have heard me say before, if you wanted to eat a sandwich, which we're not eating sandwiches right now, but would you bake a loaf of bread every time you wanted to eat a sandwich? No, you say, I don't have time for that. And so it's the same thing with your nutrition. If you're not having things prepped and ready to go, and all this food lasts for a good week. We have a family of 4, 2 teenagers, and Nate and I, we go through all this in about a week. And so don't wait to be hungry to cook your meal. Have everything prepped and ready to go so that you can be successful. I know you can do this. We're 48 days in. We still have to take the time to prep and prepare. And I'll see you tomorrow with something on our book, The 7 Decisions for Day 49.